All right, this is perfect. Just stay right there and just let him kind of wade around. All right, get your treat ready, though. Okay, good, good. All right, don't do it till I tell you. All right, call him.
Bodhi, come here. Good boy. Good boy.
All right, now ignore. Good. All right, keep going. You're going on a nature walk. They don't have these in the city where you live. All right, get ready. Get your treat ready. All right, don't look at him. Keep going. Oh, yeah. All right, come back. All right, call him.
Bodhi, come here. Here, Bodhi. Good boy. Boy. All right. He's all over the place.
All right, call him.
Bodhi, come here. Good boy.
All right, get your treat ready. All right, call him.
Bodhi, come here. Boy, good, good.
All right, Jason, that was your first lesson, so we're going to get him all fixed up. Going to get Jason addicted to the show. More updates soon.